Hey everybody, AJ Colby here, and it is great to be back with you all. We're live on this Sunday, April 28th at 6:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and we're going to do a little forecasting and do some weather. Gosh, it's been ages. I hope you give me a little bit of a little break since it's maybe a bit rusty on this. It's been over a year and a half or so since I've done it, but since I've done the weather officially, I guess. Hope you guys are doing great, enjoying this beautiful weather weekend. I'm going to try to do these forecast updates daily. It's kind of organic. We'll see how things go and how the response is, but I'm excited about bringing maybe a little bit of weather forecasting back into my life and maybe into yours as well if it's been a while since you've watched the weather. I doubt that's the case, but um, I've heard from so many of you, and you've been so encouraging, and uh, just felt like this was something that maybe I wanted to do. So we'll see how things unfold and how the timeline moves along here, but we'll take it a day at a time, as they say. For now, though, let's just look into the day and how it was. We had cloud cover assemble and warm temperatures. Boy, it's going to get even toastier. In fact, we're looking at high temperatures tomorrow that could reach near record levels. I don't know if we'll quite get to the record, which I believe is 84, but I think we're going to be awfully close, at least maybe within striking distance. First of all, this is a live crib cam. Remember this? I don't know if you've seen this camera in a while, but this is a live picture. Look at how calm. That is incredible. How calm the weather is and how calm the water is. It's almost like nothing more than a cat's paw. And you might be able to see a few little ripples on the pond out there, but really it looks fairly quiet. And it's the weather's been extremely quiet for sure recently, but overall there is no activity out there weather-wise. Just a few little puffy decorative clouds, and that is just about it. Let's have a look at it from topside now. This is a look from outer space, satellite imagery showing downstate where the sun is out in full force here, but cloud cover has been a bit more extensive over the northern part of the state, right there and all the way up to the Empire State of New York. A little bit cloudier back into Indiana and Illinois, but overall, no real precip to speak of. You can see as we get in a little bit closer here, not much in the way of texture to these clouds, so they're not awfully convective, but we still can't rule out maybe a passing shower, a thunder shower here before all is said and done this evening. This is all a part of a much wider weather complex, which brought those really nasty tornadoes into parts of Nebraska yesterday. This is a look from the continental U.S. perspective, and you can see the spinning low pressure system out here in the upper plain states and powerful thunderstorms that are assembling in the eastern part of the Lone Star State of Texas. And that's where we find the heavier thunderstorm clusters. Meanwhile, a little closer look at radar here in Cleveland, right there in the center, showing a few thunderstorms in western Pennsylvania, well to the north and east of Pittsburgh. But overall, it's been pretty dry, maybe a passing sprinkle. By far the heaviest thundery weather has been in eastern Texas down to Dallas, Big D, Dallas. And those thunderstorms trail off into some heavier rain showers north of there, and then wrapping completely behind the weather system, low pressure spinning away over the upper plain states. Meanwhile, how do things shake out around here? Well, I think we're in for a dry overnight period into tomorrow. The maps through the overnight hours on into tomorrow morning showing the rain staying west. Here's the Buckeye State. And you can see we are rain free for tomorrow morning during the afternoon even. We are still looking at dry weather. Even as rain begins to assemble and we hook up with the Gulf of Mexico again, once again, the moisture streaming northward along the front will likely spark some thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon for folks off to the west. But tomorrow night is when we start to see some of that rain sneak into northeast Ohio ahead of the cold front The front continues to plow slowly but surely, inexorably to the east-southeast. The front will go through Tuesday in the afternoon and will cut the temps a bit. Not by much, though. As you'll see, these fronts aren't quite as potent as they were just a month ago. Tonight, though, partly cloudy, mild night tonight, pretty uneventful. The overnight low 64, a little bit sticky. Might be able to feel that humidity come up a little bit, and the winds are light at about 5 to 10 miles an hour. Mostly sunny, a warm day tomorrow, and a little breezy. Right now, the forecast high is 83, record is 84, so we may tie that record. And if we get those southwest winds cruising along good enough, that may be enough to tug temperatures into that record or even beyond that. Here's an extended look now as we have the rain back in for Tuesday. We're looking at a high of 70. So that's cooler. Overnight low down to 52, but no really chilly overnight low temperatures at all. I believe the 80-degree weather is not far behind, though. Wednesday, mostly sunny, beautiful Wednesday, 78 degrees. That's just gorgeous. We're looking at a high of 81 on Thursday, pretty toasty. Rain is going to hold off, I think, until Friday. Friday's high, 76. Rain showers are possible. Could we hear thunder? It is not out of the question, but if you thought you'd miss the warm temperatures for very long, I don't think so. We're right back into the 80-degree realm for Wednesday, Thursday, and even with the arrival of thunder on Friday and the potential for rain on the increase, it still doesn't cut temperatures too much, still mid to upper 70s. So the week ahead, not looking bad. If you took that week off for vacation this week, you picked a good one, I think, overall. Friday, really the only hiccup there. And so far, the weekend not looking too shabby. All right, guys, I'm glad you stopped by, and hopefully you got a little out of this. I know I did. I enjoyed being back with you, and hope you come back and join us for even more as the days go by. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. What's left of it? It is waning, isn't it? Waning, but not raining. We'll see you later, guys. Take care. Thanks for stopping by.